Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the Kaziranga National Park vlog. I hope you will love this vlog because I have shown the culture of Assam and Kaziranga National Park original beauty, a world-renowned wildlife sanctuary located in Indian state of Assam. Stay tuned till the end to witness the beauty of Kaziranga National Park. I hope you will like it.
काजीरंगा राष्ट्रीय उद्यान काजीरंगा नेशनल पार्क भारत के असम राज्य में स्थित एक विश्व प्रसिद्ध वन्यजीव अभयारण्य है। यह मुख्य रूप से एक सींग वाले गैंडों वन हॉर्न राइनोसरस के लिए दुनिया भर में मशहूर है और यहाँ दुनिया की कुल गैंडा आबादी का लगभग 2/3 हिस्सा पाया जाता है। मुख्य आकर्षण और विशेषताएं की हाइलाइट्स। 1. स्थान। यह पार्क असम के गोलाघाट, नागांव और सोनितपुर जिलों में फैला हुआ है। 2. एक सींग वाला गैंडा। यहाँ 2600 से अधिक एक सींग वाले गैंडे मौजूद हैं। 3. जीव जंतु। गैंडों के अलावा यह उद्यान बाघों, रॉयल बंगाल टाइगर्स, हाथियों, जंगली भैंसों और दलदली हिरणों बारहसिंघा का घर है। और 4. पक्षी विहार। इसे बर्ड लाइफ इंटरनेशनल द्वारा एक महत्वपूर्ण पक्षी क्षेत्र इम्पोर्टेंट बर्ड एरिया भी घोषित किया गया है। इतिहास और संरक्षण हिस्ट्री एंड स्टेटस। 1. स्थापना। इसे 1904 में बैरोनेस कर्जन, लॉर्ड कर्जन की पत्नी के आग्रह पर गैंडों की सुरक्षा के लिए एक आरक्षित वन रिजर्व फॉरेस्ट के रूप में प्रस्तावित किया गया था। 2. राष्ट्रीय उद्यान। इसे 1974 में आधिकारिक तौर पर राष्ट्रीय उद्यान नेशनल पार्क का दर्जा दिया गया। 3. विश्व धरोहर। यूनेस्को द्वारा 1985 में इसे प्राकृतिक विश्व धरोहर स्थल वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइट घोषित किया गया था। और 4. टाइगर रिजर्व। 2006 में इसे बाघ अभयारण्य टाइगर रिजर्व घोषित किया गया था। पर्यटन और यात्रा टूरिज्म एंड सफारी। 1. सफारी के प्रकार। पर्यटकों के लिए यहाँ जीप सफारी और हाथी सफारी एलिफेंट सफारी की सुविधा उपलब्ध है। 2. घूमने का सबसे अच्छा समय। अक्टूबर से अप्रैल के बीच का समय यहाँ घूमने के लिए सबसे उत्तम माना जाता है क्योंकि मानसून के दौरान पार्क अक्सर बाढ़ के पानी में डूब जाता है। 3. निकटतम हवाई अड्डा जोरहाट का रोवरिया हवाई अड्डा और गुवाहाटी का लोकप्रिय गोपीनाथ बोरदोलोई अंतर्राष्ट्रीय हवाई अड्डा है। और 4. निकटतम रेलवे स्टेशन फुरकाटिंग और गुवाहाटी प्रमुख स्टेशन है।
To get the absolute best experience in Kaziranga National Park, you need to coordinate your safari timing with the animal activity pattern and choose your accommodation zone strategically. Best timing to see the animals. Animals are most active during the early morning and late afternoon. When the temperature is cooler, you can experience the park through 2 types of safaris. Elephant safari, best for the early morning and close encounter. This safari gets you incredibly close to one-horned rhinos. Slot 1, 5:30 a.m. to 6:30 a.m. Highly recommended as animals are walking up and park creates a magical atmosphere. Slot 2, 6:30 a.m. to 7:30 a.m. Jeep safari, best for covering large areas. Jeeps allow you to explore the deeper into the experience ranges of the forest. Morning shift 7:15 a.m. to 9:45 a.m. Great for the catch of tigers, elephants, and deer gazing. Afternoon shift 1:15 p.m. to 4:35 p.m. Excellent for spotting animals and heading towards water bodies as the sun sets. Where to stay for the best experience? For the most seamless experience, you should stay in Kohura, central range of Pagori Western Range areas. Kohura is a primary tourism hub offering the
India.com থেকে আপনারা দেখে নিতে পারেন।
safari booking centers and main park gates.
Kaziranga offers you experience of a wild with a unique and becomes a part of your life time memory.
The top rated properties and Kohura zone place you right next to the action. Why this is great? A premium 4-star resort located just 500 meters from the Central Range Safari entrance. It features swimming pool, spa, and beautiful wooden nature centric architecture. Price 5,775 per night. Fins Weather Resort, Kaziranga, starting around 3,590. This is also 4-star hotel. Why this is great? Offers highly rated 4-star luxury, slightly away from the main road noises, ensures a quiet, peaceful and stay amidst nature. Range starts from 3,823 per night. Mid-range and unique gambling আমি এখানে গেছিলাম. This is beautiful. Starts from habitus rhino বা
আর অনেক রকমের জায়গা আছে ওখানে দেখার। How many rhinos are there in Kaziranga National Park? There are nearly 2,500 in this park, and you guarantee. Can we stay inside Kaziranga National Park? Of course, yes. It is possible to stay inside Kaziranga National Park, but with limitation. You can stay in a government-run accommodation, forest, ivy, or private lodge. আপনাদের সব জায়গাতে এখানে যাওয়ার জন্য পারমিট আর পারমিশন লাগবে। Entering any area of the park requires proper permit and tickets. Rules and regulation maintain করতে হবে। Follow the park rules and regulation including sticking to design path and not disturbing the wildlife. Safety হচ্ছে
485 per night. Another one is also there, budget choice, that is wilderness. It's very less.
Is generally closed
1,602
to visitor from May 1st to October
White
31st.
great, simple,
Each year.
clean and highly aesthetic cabins. The staff is incredibly cooperative and will directly help you to arrange for safari, local transport. Price 1,602 per night. Would you like help for the booking for your safari online? You will get in my intro. I will link it. Thank you. Keep watching.
Kaziranga Morgan Lodge, Bob Miller Retreat, Lambine Retreat, Kaziranga, Camp 1 for Rhino, and Money Green Kaziranga Wildlife Resort. Tips for booking: 1. Book in advance, especially during peak season. It's wise to book your accommodation well in advance to secure time for adoption. Consider the location. Think about which range of the park you plan to visit most, e.g., Central, Kohura, Bagri, Mura Pahar, and choose a lodge accordingly. 3.
What you should try dishes over there. Assamese thali, the ultimate platter. This is a wholesome platter served on the traditional bell metal plates. Typically includes fragrant johar rice, lentils, dal, seasonal vegetables, fried plantains, and local chutneys. And masoor tinga, a light, refreshing, and tangy fish curry cooked using tomatoes, elephant apple, or lemon juice. It is a staple of the region. Khar, a signature Assamese starter made from the seasonal vegetable or papaya filtered through the ashes of the sun-dried banana peels. It has a unique, slightly alkaline flavor. Duck meat curry, thick and savory curry where duck meat is slowly cooked with ash ground or whole spices, traditionally eaten during cooler months. I avoid eating duck because I don't like to eat much meat. I like to be vegetable, or I like to stay with chicken or eggs. Aloo pitaka is very nice, very tasty. Simply yet incredible delicious comfort food considering of mashed potatoes mixed with pungent mustard oil, raw onion, green chilies and coriander.
with me. You're the king of Carolina. You're the singer. Your band's behind you. Crowds around here.